Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a maintenance day but at home version and a little self-care. If you would like to see what my maintenance day is like at home, please do keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this is your first time seeing my face, and hit the like button so that I know you like videos like this. So starting off, I set the mood and I'm just bringing out everything I need. Today we are going to be waxing, and we're going to be fixing our lashes at home, doing a little facial, and also doing my nails. And these items are by my brand, so if you're in Nigeria, do well to check us out on Instagram. So I'm going to start waxing. I wax myself at home and I use Sugarwax. I've been an arid sugar waxer for the last almost 8 years now, and I have not looked back. Best decision ever. It really helps to brighten that dark underarms, helps with ingrowns. I do not get ingrowns. I don't know what that is. And this sugar wax is also by my brand. It's the best formula you would ever find. Our formula is everything, like every single thing, and like we're always restocking. So I like to wax myself. I do not shave. I don't use hair removal creams because sugar wax is the best. Sugar wax is not hard wax. Hard wax is more painful than when you use sugar wax. Sugar wax is a lot tolerable. It gives better results than hard wax, and it's just the best method not to have like ingrown hairs. It has worked for me, and it really help you brighten your underarms. So I always start by applying powder because it helps to remove excess moisture. Then I allow the wax to melt on my skin as I gradually pull the spatula up. When I'm done with that, I place our eco-friendly strips that are made of fabric onto the wax I just kept. I smooth it, kind of forming contact with the skin and the hair, and I pull it off, and that's it. It's really tolerable. And the beautiful thing about sugar waxing is over time your hair becomes extremely soft and fine, so it's not painful. At this stage, it's not painful. It's like you're walking in the park, a breeze and a walk in the park. And what I love about it the most is the fact that the smoothness is unmatched. The smoothness of the underarms unmatched, and it will take a very, very long time before the hair grows back, usually 4 to 6 weeks. In fact, there are some areas on my skin that hair does not grow anymore. Like half of my underarms, hair does not grow there. Like the follicles there, they are just tired of the traumatic pull and everything. So if you're in Nigeria, you like to try our sugar wax, check us out on Instagram. I'm going to put links to you can place order in the description box. But if you're outside, that's the area I was telling you guys, like half of my underarms above, hair does not grow there, and that's the results of 8 years of sugar waxing. It really also help you to maintain really bright underarms. And if you're outside the country, we do not deliver outside Nigeria, sadly, because the rates are crazy. But if you have your own, if you can get yourself a personal shopper in Nigeria, or you have family and friends, someone we can forward anything you're interested in to, and they'll forward it down to your country, then that's fine. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me do the rest of the waxing. So moving on, I'm doing a little facial. I like to do a facial every week, and they all have different things. Today's facial week, we are targeting decongesting the pores, especially on areas that I find my skin to be oily. That's the T-zone. And this, I love to do a clay mask for this. And today we are using bentonite clay mask and apple cider vinegar mixture. So I'm just going to put a little bit with the spatula. And one thing about bentonite clay, if you don't know, you do not use metal to mix bentonite clay. It has to be either plastic, but you can use metal. And I'm just adding the apple cider vinegar, and I'm trying to get a thick paste-like consistency. I don't want it to run. I don't want the runny consistency. So I'm just making a paste with the apple cider vinegar. And I was showing you that I'm using apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's the brand of apple cider vinegar I'm using. Okay. So when I'm done, I'm just going to apply this on the areas of my face that need decongesting, which is areas I tend to get oily or to sweat. And so that's the T-zone. And I'm just applying the mask. So after leaving the max on for 15 minutes, because that's the max, I'm here to do my shower. And these are the products I'll be using: the Effaclar gel cleanser, the Tree Hunt body scrub, and this body wash by my brand, and the feminine wash by my brand. So I'm just going to have a quick shower, wash all of that off my face, have a mini little exfoliating routine. And I really like this scrub. It smells like clean and fresh. And then I'm going to use my body wash, best body wash in the world. This is just the body wash I always reach out for because it's very calming, and it's very calming. So that's it for the simple shower routine, and we are moving on to the rest of this video. I'm going to start with my skincare routine. Nothing really important for you to see. I have been using products made by my hands for the past a year now. I've been consistent with it. I do not include other regular products apart from the the snail muslin and hydra serum of snail muslin. This is a serum by my brand also. This is our daytime serum, and it's a high power performance vitamin C serum. The formula is an emulsified serum formula, which means that it delivers both the work of a serum and a face moisturizer all in one. Yes, I'm yet to launch that product, so that's why you don't see any label on it. Yeah, it takes a lot for me to launch a product. So yeah. I'm adding sunscreen to my face and my hand because I'll be using UV light. So yeah, I'm just protecting. I'm doing a little lip care, my pink lips cream, and adding a lip gloss on it. Then to buy time while we are doing our nails, I just want to put a hydrating sheet mask over my face, and this one has active collagen, which I love. So I'm just going to place that for 15 minutes while we move on to doing our nails. Yes. So guys, we move into fixing my nails. This is by my second brand, Yemi Abiodun Beauty, and this is our nail extension home kits. These are not press-ons, these are nail extensions, and they are made of gel and they are soft nail extensions. I know this people know this with the Gel X nail extension, but this is by my brand. I picked everything in this kit from scratch by myself. I sourced for them, sourced manufacturers, and I have not still even launched it. So this is trial section, and I'm satisfied, and this are everything the kit is going to have. So yeah, this is how I've been doing my nails, saving money, staying in my house, saving a ton of money on maintenance, the beauty routines and all of that. And to start, I'm just filing my nails so that it can increase adhesion over the weeks. You just have to file that nail and clean it down with alcohol to increase the how long you retain. So this is our glue. It's super amazing, very strong. It's a gel glue. It stays put. This is like the best glue consistency I've found so far, and I'm going to just place that to cure under this lamp. The only issue I have is that this lamp is small, so when we actually launch, we'll have to include a bigger lamp that is strong enough to properly cure these nails in place. So I'm just going to, like you see, place the glue, a pea-sized amount on each of the nails that I have fitted to my nails, and I'm just going to cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds, and 60 seconds multiple time, and it's just so beautiful the way it fuses with the nails. It looks super natural, better than anyone I've ever done with the nail tech, and the way the thin bed technology make it so suited. You think it's growing for my skin. Like, since I discovered this, I've been keeping my money. I've been keeping money, saving a lot of money on nail manicure, because I've been doing it myself at home. Plus, the French tips is just like, are you even in the clean girl, classy, elegant, timeless aesthetics? If you don't do a classic French tips, so if you notice, most clean girl, elegant, classy, which is what my vibe is, which is what I die for. If you want to be elegant, always look put together. The classic French tip is the way to go for you. The second thing is clear gel, builder gel that look light pink, all those girly builder gel. I tell you, always look good. It's always like you look put together. There's something about a classic French tips that just speaks class. It can never go out of style. It goes with every outfit. It makes you put together, pairs well with your are you into the gold jewelry or anything? There's just something elegant, timeless, and classy about French tips. Finally, to seal in all my hard work, I used the anti-scratch and anti-stain resistant step 3 and step 4 to apply to the nails lightly and the edge of the nails, so that it lasts long. It's like it remains glossy, and it doesn't chip and look old, like it look put together every time. So, and I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds, and that's it. That concludes our manicure at home. So these are the finished results of the nails. Like I told you guys, you see, like it looks like it's growing from your skin, literally. If I told you I didn't go to a nail tech to do this, you would not believe. It looks so good. They look so good, like they're just the best thing after nothing. So next we head to doing my lashes. This is still by my brand. The brand for the nails, still the owner of the brand for these lashes, and these are our cluster lashes, and today I'll be using the Style Volume. All right, this is the volume tray. The lashes are super comfortable, super light, and they just have the most natural look. And like I start applying, I always go with the cat eye kind of look, where the clusters at the edges are longer, and as I get into my inner corners, I drop the length into shorter clusters. These always look bomb. I always get compliments when I go out. But like, people that may not be attracted to cluster lashes are actually people that like dramatic lash extensions probably. But cluster lashes does it for me, girl. I always look put together. They look very good. They give the look that we are trying to give, all right? And I save my coins, and I love the flexibility. I can always touch up, do these things if one pop up at home. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.